Hey guys, how's it going? This is Evan, and we are going to go over this little video that I put on this channel called AnythingSlowMotion. Now this is a channel where I'm posting more like real camera using stuff and not gameplay at all. But most of it is slow motion shooting, blowing up stuff, and just cool things like that. But I actually uploaded this video where I've got this RC plane with the camera in front of it, and I got some really cool shots in my opinion. And if you want to go check it out, there'll be a link in the description and an annotation for the whole video, just linking you to this video. And if you want to, just click subscribe. That's always good. If you want to see more slow motion videos and RC videos. And look how high I got in this plane. I'm actually going to try to go higher today. Going to go fly it in a second here, just getting this video out. And I apologize for not making videos in a while. I've just been plain lazy, and all my videos have pretty much gone onto the slow motion channel, or this channel. I can't say slow motion because this video isn't. But yeah, it's really interesting. I mean, you get a really good look at the landscape, which you wouldn't see normally. And actually, how high I got compared to the trees was pretty surprising to me. So, I don't know. If you guys think it's cool, like I said, go check it out. And you obviously will not have to watch the whole video. It's just, me flying the plane a lot, getting different shots. And this is actually my favorite shot here, looking back by the tail of the plane, because you definitely get to see more of the landscape this way. But yeah, it's a cheap little camera, so the quality isn't too good, and I mean it's all right. It's definitely good for this. But I mean, as far as like the sun, when you see that, it's just a big glare, and you see it affects the video right now and stuff. But I don't know, it's really cool. So please go check that out. And the channel is pretty much just right starting out. There's 130, almost 140 subscribers, which I mean, I think that's pretty good for how new of the channel it is. Well, I don't know. It's getting a little old, so I can't really call it new anymore. Let's see. Yeah, my video was a month ago, my first video on it, so I don't know. It's getting there. But yeah, please go check that out. And here's a little takeoff from the land, which is pretty cool. I went like doing a donut in the sand, but I got some pretty shaky flying, so please don't comment on my skill yet, because this was my first time flying this plane. So yep, still learning, in the process of learning and all that. It's a beginner plane, but I don't know, it's been a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Go check out the other channel, and ratings never hurt either. Give me some feedback, either good or bad, whatever. And other than that, I will see you guys later.